Students, topic for this section is context aware computing. The success of mobile computing is on how gracefully the system adapt to changes in the environment. In chapter 1 we have seen the two approaches, that is the application transparent approach and application aware approach. Application transparent and application aware approach. So the application transparent approach uses the system software such as the underlying operating system and the networking software to adapt to the changes in operating conditions, like substantial reduction in the available bandwidth or drop in the level of the battery power. In contrast to this approach, application aware adaptation uses the collaboration between the system software and application software. It uses the collaboration between the system software and the application software to adapt to the changes in the availability of computing and communication resources. A step further in the direction of application aware adaptation is the context aware computing. In context aware computing, the application adapt not only the changes in the availability of computing and communication resources, but also the presence of the contextual information. So what is the contextual information? For example, in context aware computing, the application adapts not only to the changes in the availability of computing and communication resources, but also the presence of contextual information such as who is in the vicinity, the time of the day, where the system currently resides, the current emotional state of the user, the action the user is performing, and the intention with which the action is being performed. A context aware or context sensitive application requires contextual information, and that contextual information is gathered from various sources like the sensors that are embedded in the environment, devices that are owned by end users, repositories of historical data tracking use of the application, and information contained in the user profiles. Next is ubiquitous and pervasive computing. The aim of ubiquitous and pervasive computing is to design a computing infrastructure such a manner that they integrate seamlessly with the environment and become almost invisible. In order to minimize the human distraction, the ubiquitous computing system have to be proactive in anticipating the further demands of the user and adaptive in order to able to respond better to future user demands. The ability to sense and process context is fundamental to making a system proactive and self-tunable. So here, as we know, in mobile computing, motion is an integral part of our day-to-day life, and any ubiquitous system that does not reasonably support this mobility of computing devices will have difficulty in becoming the invisible. So in this form of computing, mobile computing, it concerns not only with the mobility of computers, but more importantly mobility of the people also. So that is the ubiquitous or pervasive computing. In the next section we will see what is context. Okay, so thank you so much.